How to change APN settings on Android. Now in order to change APN settings on Android, just simply open your settings app in your Android phone and after that select the option of connections. After going into the connections option, you will see a bunch of options that you can select from here. Just simply select mobile networks in order to get access to APN. Now after going to mobile network section, you will get to see the option of access point names. Simply select access point's name and you will see all of the APNs or the access point names that you have created. Now you can change APN settings from this page. You can reset APNs if you want, or you can change all of the details about APNs such as name, APN detail, proxy of the networks and all of the other things. All you need to do is to come in this section and from here you can do all of the desirable changes to your APN settings. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.